I got the cut dog running again. 93. Yeah. Heard a little ticking. That's probably a spark plug. I don't know what's going on with that. The throttle body was stuck, so. Need to be cleaned up. Been sitting for almost a year.
The 5 o'clock traffic party is powered by Club Exclusive, 3608 7th Street Road. Open Wednesday through Saturday from 10 p.m. until everybody wants to be exclusive. Don't you? Are you and yours involved?
Sound pretty good. It's saying for a whole year. I'm ready to get rid of it. 1500. I'm in Louisville, Kentucky, baby.
They've made it easier than ever to try and buy color. When you're ready to paint, shop online or stop by your neighborhood Sherwin-Williams store and get everything you need.
Everything worked. Light, headlights, everything. 1500. Whoever wants it. New battery. Walmart brand, but hey. It does its purpose. Top work, I just put it down for a minute. Okay. It still look alright though. It's not in bad shape. Decent. '93 cut dog, baby.